One of the most commonly asked questions from moms wanting to cloth diaper is, what do you do with the poop? That's an easy question to answer. No matter what kind of cloth diapering system you choose to use, poop always belongs in the toilet. It's easy to clean out cloth diapers. Simply spray off any fecal matter into the toilet using a diaper sprayer and flush. Then take your insert and the shell and put it in your wet bag or pail liner until wash day. If you're using newborn diapers, make sure you have stuck the hook and loop tabs to the laundry tabs at the back of the diaper so that they don't get caught on anything else. If you are using a diaper cover and insert system, make sure that you unsnap any inserts that are snapped to your diaper cover before putting both in the wet bag or pail liner for wash day. If you are using one-size diapers and you're choosing to use them as a pocket diaper, make sure the inserts are not snapped to the outside shell and put the whole thing in the pail liner or wet bag until wash day. If you are using the inserts snapped on top of the shell, simply unsnap the inserts before putting all of this in the pail liner or wet bag until wash day. Once it is wash day, take your pail liner or wet bag full of dirty diapers and turn it inside out into the washer drum of your washer. Throw in the pail and any wet bags as well and start your washing machine.
Connect with us online on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, and get more cloth diapering advice at lullabybaby.blog. And shop with us online at lullabybaby.com.